going on, guys? We are here at this customer's house. This customer actually came from a referral. The owner of this house owns a very big business, and my uncle actually works with him a lot. They refer each other business, and so he wanted me to watch this gentleman's house as a favor, to surprise him because he's out of town right now. So I'll be handling the house, vinyl fence, all the way around the property right here. So it'll turn out nice. Tell how it's pretty dirty. So it's gonna be fun. There's a lot of bushes and plants around the house, so it's gonna be hard to hit every spot, but we'll do our best. Let's go. All right, so would you use bleach over here? Look at this. It's a lot of crap. I did down there. You just rinsed real good, you know. They got a lot of stuff on the walls. Just a lot of stuff around, so I did, but I'm not gonna use it down there. There's too much wood and stuff. So this vinyl fence doesn't look bad, but when you get up close, look at it. Yeah. So it should come off pretty easy. You can see that. So it's not too bad. But just from afar, it doesn't look too bad. You just, when you get up close. But watch when I rinse that off. You see the difference now? Look at that. Man, first glance, you won't be able to tell. All right, it's time to soap it down, baby. I'm waiting for the soap to get through the line, but we will hit this pretty hard, and this stuff will fall, melt right off. You will see. But look at it up close. Look at that. All the way down it. I love when I get to the dirtiest side of the house. It's my favorite part of pressure washing, period. It's just so satisfying. Just waiting for the soap to hit the line, baby. All right, we're in there. All right, we're gonna start seeing this stuff melt off. I love the vinyl fence, those are easy. My chlorine has actually been in that drum because I haven't been that busy. I've had this chlorine for weeks and weeks, so it might be weaker than normal. So we're just seeing. It's worked good so far. I mean, obviously I could tell a difference, but we're gonna see. Like, I did this, now that's still dirty, but I did this gate. We're gonna see. I can already see it changing. And this is very weak. Like, I don't even think, this might be half of 1% concentration. I'm not sure, but it seems to be weaker. Still working though, just not as fast. Let's go. It's looking good. Vinyl's your pressure washer's best friend. There's some spots that I probably gotta double down, but yeah, everything's good. Business has been slowing down significantly in the past month, I would say. I mean, it's up and down. Some weeks I get no people reaching out to me. Some weeks I get 10 people reaching out to me. I'm not consistent on the marketing side of it. It's really all just word of mouth. Again, I'm not only doing pressure washing. I work with my family's business doing fencing, so I am trying to, and they are trying to help me go full time in pressure washing. But you know, first year in business is rough, no matter what business you do. Some people make it right out the gate. Some people take 5 years, so all you gotta do is keep showing up, do your best, be the best version of yourself. Even when you're not the best version of yourself that day, try your best, do your best, don't walk away until the job's done. And be respectful, polite, listen to your customers, listen to their wants and needs, and do your best to deliver the results that they want and that you promise them that you'll get. So let's go. All right, I'm done with that side. All I got is this little side right here, and then I gotta do the fence all around here, and I'm done. So let's get it, baby. Again, on this side of the house, I just cleaned this section just to do a demonstration, but look at that. Completely different fence. But at first glance, you won't be able to tell that. So if you get to a house and they have a vinyl fence, upsell it. Get up close to it, point it out to them. Do the finger test like I did earlier. Put your finger on your tongue and say, look at that. Look at all that crap. That crap will come right off. It'll be looking good. You know? Upsell it, baby. More money. And obviously, it'll help their property look great. So they'll be spending a little bit extra money. It'll make a big difference on their property. All right, so the fence is pretty ugly. I just put Kim on there. Gonna let it sit for a minute. This is a side I haven't touched yet, so pretty ugly, but it'll come out nice. It's already starting to do its magic over here, so just let it dwell for a minute. Come back and hit it real good. So I don't think my SH is strong enough. I think it's been out in the weather too long. So I'm just gonna have to use pressure, which is fine. I've weakened it up, I think. But it comes off pretty easy with the pressure. That's great. Look at that, baby. It's like a brand new fence. Awesome. Happy about that. Just keep her trucking. All right, almost done. I just got this last stretch of fence and I'm done. Pretty hard to pressure wash with one hand and record with the other, honestly. All right, I'm all wrapped up on that job. It turned out great. The homeowner's gonna be so excited when he gets home. He doesn't even know his house got pressure washed, so the fence was a lot worse than the house, in my opinion. There was one bad side of the house that kind of looked ugly, but other than that, it wasn't that bad. Turned out really nice, but right now I'm headed to do an estimate, commercial estimate for a warehouse, like sidewalk, and possibly parking lot, I'm not sure. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any ideas for future videos, or any questions that you want me to make a video about, please let me know. I'd love to do it. And I really appreciate you guys following along with me. That job took a little bit longer than I thought because the chlorine I had kind of went bad because I've had it for weeks and weeks. I haven't been that busy in pressure washing, and that happens. So the chlorine kind of weakened, and I wanted to use all of it, which I had quite a bit. I wanted to use all of it so I can get rid of it and get a new batch. So it took me a little bit longer than I wanted, but anyways, thank you guys for following along. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.